Hello everyone, you are tuned into Digital Abhi. This is 7th episode of WordPress tutorials, and in this particular episode we will see how you can create a post for your WordPress website. So as usual, you have to first log into your WordPress dashboard. After that, go to the left sidebar and click on posts. Now in posts, you will see a post by the title Hello World. This is a default post which is published to your WordPress website as soon as you install WordPress. What I would recommend is delete this. So I will just tick this box and click on trash. Now to create a new post, there are two options. First one is by clicking on add new in the left sidebar. The second one is by clicking on the add new button in the top. So we will click on add new. Now you can see the editor part from where you can create your post for your WordPress website. Here you have to put the title of your post. And after entering the title, just below it you can start writing the content which you want to put on your WordPress website. So I will just copy my content from here. I'll just paste it here. Now as you can see, all the content is copied here. Now we need to publish this post on our WordPress website. To publish a post, you have to click on the blue colored button publish on the top right hand side. Now again click publish. And your post is successfully published on your WordPress website. So let's see how it looks. As you can see, the post is successfully published on our WordPress website. When you will click on this title, the post will get open and any user or any visitor which visits your website can read this post. So that's how you create a post for your WordPress website. So that's all for this video. I will come up with another WordPress tutorial as soon as possible. Till the time, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay tuned to Digital Abhi.